Hello all, this is Shubhranjini from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in SNS College of Engineering. Welcome to a journey into an evolving world of cybersecurity. In today's digital age, artificial intelligence or AI is transforming both the nature of cyber threats and the strategies we use to define against them. From detecting malicious activities to automating responses, AI is playing a dual role as a protector and as a tool for cyber criminals. In this video, we'll explore key cybersecurity trends for 2024, the challenges posed by AI-powered attacks, and practical tips for staying safe in an increasingly connected world. So, why wait? Let's dive in. AI is revolutionizing cybersecurity in two ways. Defensive operations. AI powered tools analyze vast amount of data in real-time identification patterns and detecting threats faster than humans could. These systems are becoming essential for organizations of all sizes. Next is offensive capabilities. Unfortunately, cybercriminals are also leveraging AI to create more sophisticated attacks. Think about deepfake scams, AI-driven phishing attempts, and automated hacking systems. As critical infrastructure and everyday life become increasingly dependent on AI, it's clear that vigilance is essential. Staying ahead of these advancements is the only way to navigate the digital age with confidence. What are the major cybersecurity trends to watch in 2024? AI in cybersecurity, AI driven attacks, zero trust architecture, and biometric authentication. These trends highlights the ongoing evolution of cybersecurity driven by advancements in technology and the growing complexity of threats. Next is the challenges in cybersecurity. While advancements are promising, cybersecurity in 2024 also faces several challenges. The first one is sophisticated attacks. Second one is skills gap. Third one is ethical concerns. Addressing these challenges requires a combination of technological innovation, workforce development, and ethical oversights. The role of AI in cybersecurity. Now let's look at how AI is transforming cybersecurity defense. First point is threat intelligence. Second point is predictive analytics. Third point is automated response. And fourth point is anomaly detection. These capabilities make AI indispensable for modern security strategies, enabling faster and more effective protection. Prevention tips for staying safe. So, how can individuals and organizations stay secure in this AI-driven cybersecurity landscape? Here are some practical tips. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. Use strong passwords and enable MFA to add extra layer of protection for your accounts. Regular updates. Keep software and devices up to date to patch vulnerabilities and prevent exploits. AI security solutions. Deploy AI-powered tools to monitor networks and detect threats in real time. Security awareness. Educate employees and individuals about evolving threats like phishing and ransomware, ensuring they can recognize and respond appropriately. Staying informed and proactive is your best defense against cyber risks. Future of cybersecurity. Looking ahead, the future of cybersecurity is both challenging and exciting. AI human collaboration. Combining AI's analytical power with human expertise will lead to more effective threat mitigation strategies. Quantum safe encryption. As quantum computing evolves, traditional encryption method will need to be replaced by quantum resistant algorithms to protect sensitive data. Regulatory focus. Governments and organizations are increasingly focusing on AI ethics and cybersecurity relations, ensuring responsible use of these technologies. These developments signal a future where cybersecurity adopts to meet the demands of an ever-changing digital landscape. Next is, at last, in conclusion, cybersecurity in the age of AI is both an opportunity and a challenge as AI transforms our digital world. Staying ahead of evolving threats is critical. To do this, we must stay informed about emerging trends, be proactive in implementing security best practices, collaborate with experts and industry communities to build stronger defenses. By embracing these principles, we can share a safe and secure future for ourselves and our organizations. Thank you for watching.